So the rumors are true. I've given in to temptation, and I'm going with the Subaru swap. Now before the purists get mad at me, which you probably still will be mad at me, let me explain. The engine in my bus, which is a 78 engine, even though this was a 73 bus, came from a bus in Puerto Rico that my brother had long, long ago. Now in the past I have rebuilt this engine, quote unquote rebuilt. We just basically did a top end refresh, and the engine ended up going to shit about, I don't know, a few thousand miles in. Recently, if you saw the last stream, we've taken the engine apart, and it's pretty fucked up. It's pretty fucked up. The cam is completely destroyed, cam bearings destroyed. I'm sure the crankshaft is not in the best conditions, but I digress. Or let me move on to the fact that I'm not an engine builder. It's not what I'm good at. I've never really been good at it. All right, stop. Not good. So I started doing my research on what it would take to rebuild the Type 4 engine, parts, prices, labor, where I could get my heads resurfaced. And the conclusion that I came to is that it's gonna cost somewhere along the lines of 5 to 6 grand, maybe even more, depending on how bulletproof I want the engine to be. And of course, I'm going so deep in this restoration, deeper than anyone ever before, not really, but I'm going deep in this restoration. I'm trying to get rid of every little last bit of rust. So why wouldn't I want a reliable engine to go along with that restoration? I'm already spending so much time. So there start coming in the temptations. Subaru swap, water cooled, horsepower, highway speeds. And it really started getting to me. I'm better at fabrication. Okay, I'm not good at fabrication, but I'm better at fabrication than I am at building an engine. So I figured with the Subaru swap, it's a lot more fabrication than it is rebuilding an engine. Now, I'm not going to go into too many details of how I'm going to do it, even though I'm thinking about doing the belly pan radiator, a 2.5 single overhead cam. I've got a few thoughts in my mind. And the engine bay on this thing is already all rusted up and messed up, so it's not like I have to cut into a good engine bay to get it to work. Now, if you're interested in seeing a Subaru swap done on a VW bus, Busaru has a few videos online, which I have watched all of them. Thank you for that content. If you want to see it in detail, coming from someone who's never done it before, make sure to subscribe to the channel because it's gonna happen. I've made up my mind. I've given in. It's happening. And make sure to like this video, as I'm trying to do videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So this is Wednesday's video. Thank you for keeping in. The next video is gonna be us painting the undercoating, or rather, painting the undercarriage of the bus and getting it rust-free. There's a lot to deal with down there, so it's taking a little longer than expected, but that's just how it goes with these restorations. So my idea for the future of the videos is I'm splitting the restoration series into 3 different playlists, I think, just depending on whatever people are looking to see. There's gonna be the body restoration playlist, the interior restoration playlist, and then the engine swap / engine build / customization playlist. The Subaru swap playlist, let's not get wordy with it. That way, if you're interested in seeing just us working on the body, you could check out those playlists. If you're interested in seeing the interior work, which isn't gonna happen for a long time, but you can check out past videos where we did some work on the interior back when I did live in this bus, you could check those out as well. I did take a poll on what you guys would like to see in the bus, Type 4 versus a Subaru swap, and I'm not sure where the poll is sitting right now, but it seemed like it was slightly on the side of Type 4 engine, and I would have agreed with you in the past. But this is no longer an original bus. I'm sorry, purists. This has a 72 pop top grafted onto a 73 tin top. This is my Magnus Opus. This is a new hybrid, but it's not going to be electric because I still think that is complete shit. I think I'm giving up too much information. But this is not the original 1973 tin top Type 4 1.7 solid lifter bus anymore. This is I do want it to look original. I love the original look. I'm going with the original paint. I like things to look stock. It's not like I'm gonna put a spoiler on it and HIDs or something. Even though that's probably not a bad idea for lighting. But anyways, I just want this to be something that's reliable. I want to lift it a little bit, put some chunky tires on it. I want to have solar panels on top, a water tank in the bottom. We're going to be possibly pulling around a little trailer with our things when we go camping, because you know how women are. They need to take a lot of shit with them when they go camping. So I can't be pushing all that around with a Type 4 engine. We need more power. And you know what they say, more power, more pain. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, stick around, stay tuned for the next episode, and oh, what is that beautiful piece of art right there? Oh, that is something quite nice if you ask me. That is Mallory's custom-made wood burnings. Now this is the prototype. This is the first one she made for me 7 years ago when she was madly in love with me and I turned her down. Maybe that's not exactly how it went, but she is taking custom orders for wood burnings. All the money goes to support the channel and to support the engine swap and all the work that goes into it. I want to create as much content as I can for you guys, as I know there is a small percentage of the population that enjoy these videos. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you can't buy something like this, just follow us on Instagram, hit this video with a like, leave a comment. I read every comment. Ask Mallory. I stay up at night scrolling, just looking for comments to respond to. And she gets quite mad at me.
Don't put that in there.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around and supporting the channel as always. And I love you all. See you in Sunday's episode.